In this Python Django tutorial, we will talk about templates and the render function. By the end of the video, you will learn how to return an HTML page in response to a user request. This is a very important part of Django, so pay close attention. As we learned in the previous lessons, I am adding a new entry to the URL pattern list. When a request is made to an empty URL, the home function will be called. I will define the home function inside the vis.py file. For now, I will return an HTTP message from this function. Don't forget to save the changes you make. An HTTP message has been returned successfully. A single function can be linked to multiple URLs. For example, request to /home can also call the home function. Let's test it to ensure everything works correctly. The application is working as expected. So far, we have returned an HTTP response containing a simple message to the user. However, this is not how web applications usually work. Web applications send HTML pages to the user in response to their request. So, how can we do this in Django? First, create a folder named Templates in your main application. Inside this folder, add a new HTML file. I will create an HTML page with a title and header. Now, using the home function, we will return this HTML page to the user. We can achieve this by using the render function. Pass the request and the HTML file you created to the render function. Let's test it to see how it works. The web server is now returning an HTML page with a title and header. I recommend watching my other Python Django tutorials as well.